What's up? I am back with another video. Today we're going to be learning how to make some pom-pom earrings, but not just any pom-pom earrings, some USA patriotic earrings. If you hear anything in the background, it is my son and my husband. They're playing, but I'm really excited. I am going to throw a few clay earrings in there. So yes, if you want to see how I make my pom-pom earrings, then just keep watching. Alright you guys, so here are all the things that you're going to be needing to make pom-poms today. You have your red, white, and blue acrylic yarn. I got this from Walmart. My cat hairbrush remover I got from H-E-B. 4 sets of different size pom-pom makers from Amazon. Sharp scissors, also from Amazon. They're 4 yarn. And then my jewelry pliers, finger cushions, and dust collector, also from Amazon. Aquanet, just to spray my pom-poms once they're done, so that way there's not any like frayed pieces that come undone. Today I'm going to be using right now the smallest size pom-pom maker, which is in yellow. I don't have like a designated number of times that I wrap around the pom-poms. I just do it to the thickness that I like, and once I get the thickness I like on one side, I will go ahead and wrap it around the same amount on the other side. And as you can see, there are 2 sides and there's a groove indentation in between, and that is where you're going to take your scissors and just cut right through there. It is easy peasy squeezy, and I swear you and your kids can do this as a craft or make earrings for yourselves, pom-pom wreaths, all of that. So yes, just take the scissors and cut right through there, just like that. Super easy, simple. And then you're going to take either a 6 to 12 inch piece of yarn, get it real snug around there, and tie it 2 to 3 times in a knot just to make sure that it's secure. And then you'll remove the 2 pieces and have yourself, voila, a pom-pom. So now that we have completed the red, white, and blue dangles, we're going to pick these up and set them to the side and work on them later. Okay, so we have the American flag inspired pom-pom. We are using the medium size. I'm sorry in advance if you can hear my dogs in the background. They're barking and the volume quality is not the best because I'm using my AirPods. But yes, we're going to go ahead and start with the red yarn, and we're just going to do a single thin layer, wrap that around. I'm starting from the left side and working my way up to the right side. Once you have that thin layer, you can go ahead and take your white yarn and do the exact same thing. So you're going to wrap it around a thin layer, and then once that layer is complete, you can go ahead and do the red layer. So this is going to resemble the stripes that would be on the American flag. And you can use thinner yarn, so that way you can make more layers if you'd like, but this is all I had on hand. So this is just what I'm doing, but you can definitely use thinner yarn if you'd like. You guys, now that we are done with the stripes, we're going to go ahead and move on to the stars. You're going to wrap the blue yarn around the entire side and then just do little speckles of white here and there. It doesn't have to be perfect, but more blue than white. And once you've completed that, then you can go ahead, take your scissors and cut through the grooves just like we did before. Get a long piece of yarn, wrap it around to where it's snug as a bug and rug in there, and then tie your knots. So once your knots have been tied, you can go ahead and move both of the levers up on each side, pull the 2 pieces apart, and then you have yourself an American flag inspired pom-pom. I know it doesn't look cute now, but once it's fluffed and cut, it's going to look so freaking adorable. our nail dust collector. A lot of people who are nail techs, they use this to collect the dust, but I love it for pom-poms and whenever I am like buffing out my earrings, just because it collects all of the dust and like acrylic particles on there instead of me inhaling them. So now I'm just taking my cat brush hair remover and just fluffing out the pom-poms so that way they're nice fluffed and don't have like those lines from the yarn in them. Once they're all fluffed, I'm going to go ahead and take my really sharp yarn scissors, and you can see I have my finger cushions on because I hate whenever I get blisters from cutting for hours, but they help so much from having the blisters on my fingers. So I like to cut all the way down until the pom-pom is super smooth, and you can just tell whenever you've cut all of the extra like frayed pieces off. They look so perfect, crisp and pristine. Now I'm taking white polymer clay. This is the Primo, I believe, and I'm taking it through my Lucy clay machine. We're going to go ahead and make star toppers using this ultra sparkle glitter that I got off Amazon. I have a star cutter right there that I got off of a Etsy seller, and I'm going to go ahead and cut that real quick. Then we'll put it into the oven at 275 degrees for an hour. Also, when you're working with clay, the reason I have a pasta machine is because you want to work the clay as much as possible. So I like to run my clay through my pasta machine probably anywhere from 20 to 30 times so you can get all the bubbles out. Alrighty, so now that my clay is in the oven, I'm going to go ahead and take the Aquanet and spray down my pom-poms just to make sure that they stay pristine and don't get any like nicks in them, and they keep their shape, don't get squished or anything like that. They're going to stay round and fluffy and super cute. This is just like my little technique. So we're going to take our smaller poms and find the middle center area, and some pieces will come out. That's totally fine. They'll still keep their shape. And I'm just going to run them straight through the hoop. I got these hoops off Amazon, and they're actually really good hoopies. I will link everything down below, you guys. And I'm just cutting any of the little nicks and stuff off so that way they can look their best. And yeah, I will go ahead and spray one more time after this so that way they can be super cute, and like I said, the yarn can stay firm. I'm going ahead and taking a jump ring and adding a link to this pom-pom, and I got these links off of Amazon. Pretty much everything is going to be off Amazon, you guys. And then my star toppers are done, and I'm just going ahead and adding the star topper to that. And look at that, isn't that so cute, you guys? I love the dangle to it. It just adds an extra oomph to it. Now we are starting on the 3-tier red, white, and blue dangles, and I love these. They're so easy to make. I'm going ahead and adding the jump ring with a link there, and those pliers that I'm using right now that are the gray ones, I love them because you stick the link in there and it will turn it into a little loop for you without having to use the pliers. So easy, absolutely love it, and it cuts a lot of time out from having to do it yourself. So I love that, and I will link everything down below. I think I already said that, but here is the finished product for the red, white, and blue dangles. How stinking cute. I also add resin on all of my posts in the back. I will put that down in the description as well. I put them under UV resin, and voila, it will secure your post and make sure they do not move anywhere. So yes, this is the red, white, and blue hoopie. I think she is such a stunner for any kind of patriotic holiday. My most favorite, 4th of July, but she's just so cute. And after I'm done with these, I will do my last spray of Aquanet just to make sure that they don't get any fray pieces. and this is the inspired American flag. I know she's not perfect, but that's what I love so much about her. Alright you guys, so this is the nitty gritty. We have reached the very end and the reveal. So we have the mini 3-tier red, white, and blue earring on this side with the polymer clay topper. It is a holographic silver shade, and then we have the mini pom-pom hoopies on this side, the 3-tier. I love, love, love these. And then we also have the cute little American flag pom-pom in the mini size, or that's my son, he's playing. And then it also has the holographic star as well. So I love these earrings. These are really fun to do with the kids. You can make all kinds of stuff with pom-poms, and they're essentially weightless. That is why I love polymer clay earrings, and I love making pom-poms because the acrylic is just super, super, super lightweight for the ears. And if you're like me, you get migraines whenever you wear heavy stuff, these are a perfect alternative. So let me know if you guys enjoyed this video, what you guys want to see next. I have another video coming in store with my sister very soon. We're going to be filming it this week, so leave all your questions down below. Let me know if you loved it, and yes, I will see you in my next video.